Sorry guys, just checking my balls. And if you're a person with testicles, you should do the same too. This month I'm going to have some kind of facial hair to represent Movember, and that is all in aid of testicular cancer. So make sure you go check in. More of the dogs to come. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our dog walk. It's Friday the 5th of November. Said this already on my morning walk, but remember the 5th of November. It's a rotten day / weekend for the dogs with fireworks coming up and everything like that. So I hope everybody's safe. I'll put a link in the video. Thank you for tuning in. Stay with us. I'll take you through the dogs and our route today. Thank you. Another leafy part of Edinburgh again today, and it's really busy. So on a Friday the kids get a half day. There's no doubt going to be a lot of kids, cyclists, joggers, just people enjoying the nice day here. And yeah, we're going to make the most of the dogs being well behaved, under control, that kind of thing. Show off our skills. That's what we're going to do. Fancy shot the ball later, Pablo? Yeah. Max up. 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 Good boy. Close enough. Good boy, Max. Why do you never swim anymore? You guys want to play with the ball here, Pablo? Both should take it off here. We need to give him a separate ball. Barney, do you want your own ball? Do you want a ball? Max, do you want a ball? Who's got them? Otis and Barney. Okay? Ball thieves. Oh, Pablo, watch out! Come here! Oh, sorry, sorry, Barney. Right, there's another one. You can't have them both, kids. In fact, do you want it? Oh, totally forgetting to introduce you to the gang. So here they are for the last time this week. This is Otis, Max, Pablo, Max, Blossom, and Barney up ahead. Barney, good boy. Come say hi to the camera. Good boy. That is today's pack. We've met a bunch of, well, my generation would probably call them hippies. Sitting in a nice big circle, singing songs and God knows what they were doing. But Otis stole something off them, some bread. Oops, carry on. That's one. Who's got the other one? Right guys, thank you very much for watching to this point. If you made it this far, you're an absolute legend, and I thank you, and so do the dogs. Look at them all. Look at them all. We're just about to wrap up, get in the van, get toweled off and head home. Hope you guys have a lovely weekend. Thanks for just talking. Hope you guys have a lovely weekend. I'm off to try and fix my selfie stick, which I've broken frustratingly. But yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next week.